Okay, Skinnet, if you don't mind.
Enough! Enough! Make it stop!
Sorry.
Sorry.
Hey, Skinnet, you racing today?
You betcha. And if I see you out there, I'll give you a little toot.
Whoops.
Sorry. Again.
Uh-oh! Skinnet better get a second wind soon! Oh no! Skinnet has transformed this ramp into an incredible skunk jump!
Sorry. Something stinks about this race. And it's not just me.
Running water makes me... everything makes me do that. Sorry.
Must you?
What?
I'm celebrating my true destiny. Feel my greatness, everyone! Sorry. But not real. I have the gift.
I don't like where this is going!
With my stink signal. But I saved my special battle stink for you. I guess I don't have to hold it in anymore.
Wait! Not in here!
Sorry.
Cut!
Sorry.
Retreat! Run for your lives!
Oh, I live here. It's the only place in Shima where no one is bothered by my special gift.
You mean your stink?
Hey, everyone! I finally recharged. I'm ready to drop the biggest smelling stink ever on those wolves.
No! Stop!
Too late.